I was very privileged, I think, in my start in my career as a hematopathologist. I had a very good clinical mentor in terms of Professor David Lynch at University College London, but I was then given the opportunity to have time in a diagnostic laboratory, and I was able to come up to HMDS in Leeds, and Leeds was well known for its routine diagnostics, but also the work that it did within clinical trials, and I really had first-hand experience of working in a laboratory and what that really meant in terms of the management of a patient with a hematological malignancy. So that's what I would really recommend, that people have exposure, whether that's short term in terms of a short research project or longer term in terms of higher degree, actually getting involved in a diagnostic laboratory, or even just looking down the microscope, having exposure to the scientists, just really understanding the diagnostic techniques that are used, and therefore understanding how the information is generated for making a diagnosis for a patient, and therefore making it highly relevant to their clinical area. I think the most important thing is deciding on your area of interest. So within haematology, there's so many different areas, but actually picking a particular area, getting a mentor in that area, and then showing interest by reading journals, asking questions about that. There's constantly things that can be developed and improved, and I think having the ambition and having the confidence to get involved in both the clinical and the diagnostic side would be advantageous, and I think there are plenty of people within the field of haematology that would support such a career.